Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Assets, where we help creators add more visual energy to their videos with ready-to-use animation assets. Today you'll get 10 ready-to-use Merry Christmas text animations. Each text comes with the same smooth animation, but in two styles, one clean, pure white, and one rich textured gold. That means 10 different text designs ready to drop into your project instantly. If these assets help your work, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing for more ready-to-use assets, and turning on the bell so you don't miss what's next. Also, let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. We're here to make you save some time.